Hi, I have a Hoover 5030D dryer that hums but won't start. Reading previous threads on this site, http:/www.justanswer.com/australia-whitegood/54avl hi Hoover 5030D 5 kg no want dry.html, I think I need to replace the capacitor. I located the capacitor and found it is 6 oof rather than the 8 oof mentioned in the other thread. I should stick with matching what is there, correct? Also, the replacements all seem to have quick connect pins rather than the red and yellow leads hardwired like the one I have. Should I just cut the wires and attache them to the terminals? Keep looking for a part that matches better. Use some other more elegant solution. Thanks.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. You should stick with something close, yes. The measurement is pretty close that you took. I am not sure that the capacitor is faulty. Will the motor turn by hand? Was the capacitor bulging or disfigured?
Hi Kelly, the dryer has been having increasing trouble starting up with a load in it. Until recently we could get it going by reducing the amount of the load or positioning the drum in a particular way so the load provided a bit of help starting the spin, but now it doesn't go at all. The humming noise it made previously, when it would start with a bit of encouragement, is the same as it makes now. The motor turns by hand no problems. The capacitor looks fine, too, not bulging or disfigured. I didn't actually take any measurements on the capacitor, just read the specs printed on it.
The symptoms you are seeing, failing over time, indicate a motor problem, not the capacitor. The capacitor is either good or bad and would not likely weaken over time. I believe the motor will need to be replaced.
That is sounding expensive. Do you recommend pursuing that, or is probably going to be cheaper and easier to find a used dryer to replace it? We got this one used quite a while ago, 10 years, we don't use it much but it is handy to have around for those wet winter days in WA.
At 10 plus years, I would replace the machine.
Thanks, Kelly. That was the original plan, but though I might pull a rabbit out of the hat after reading the other threads about this. I'm curious, though. The problem I have sounds very much like the one described by others where the capacitor was diagnosed as the problem. Are my symptoms different, or do you disagree with the other recommendation?
The fact that reducing the load initially made it work and the failure was gradual is indicative of motor failure.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.